Alright, let's compare these two. They're obviously going to be a little bit different. Very close up front. Like almost exact. Up top there's some differences, obviously. In the pink roof versus the greenish yellow roof is probably the biggest difference. Kind of the same idea from the rear as well. Not that much difference until you get to the roof. I love this Porsche, but it's obviously not a 993. I'm not sure why they did that. That is a 991, but it's still awesome. Probably the car that pairs the best with this particular VW Transporter is the RLC Magnus Walker 964. Of course, that one has a opening engine bay as well. So that's pretty cool. Check that out. Yeah, buddy.